Check the clearance on the starboard side, just there.
Acknowledged. Adjusting trajectory now. Adjusting the plasma flow regulator now. Readings stabilizing.
Confirmed. The neural interface links are showing full integrity.
Checklist complete. Power levels holding steady.
Confirmed. Watch the clearance on the right side as we enter the bay. Visibility is low.
Ensure the laser alignment stays calibrated for the logo edges. The blue paint coverage looks good otherwise.
Copy that. Maintaining calibration sequence.
Hold it steady right there. All right, locking the bolts now.